Hi everyone, this is Rajesh. Today we are going to learn how to configure the Splunk. Basically, what do you mean by Splunk? The Splunk is nothing but a SIM tool which is used for analyzing the logs for who are choosing the career path in SOC in cybersecurity. So it will get the practice of practical experience of log analyzing and events. So some terms you need to know before going to configure this Splunk, which is logs, events, indexer, dashboard, and forwarding and port forwarding, port receiving, some basic terms in there in the Splunk. So I'll make in one video for every basic and how to use the Splunk. But for now we are going to configure this Splunk. So first of all, what do you mean by events? The events is nothing but a running process in your system. What do you mean by running process? Means suppose if I enter cmd as a command prompt, this is one of the running process in your system, currently running process in your system. So it will generate some log. So logs are nothing but events. Whatever the events are running in your system, it is in a log. It will generate some log. So first of all, for this I'm going to open my browser, Splunk Enterprises download. This is Splunk Enterprises download. This is the official website of Splunk. Download from here. And one more thing, I'm downloading Splunk Universal Forwarder. You need to first of all clear with this. Enterprises means which you are analyzing the logs. Universal Forwarder means which you are generating logs. Means you need to configure this universal forwarder in your Windows, and it will by default you can access in your browser, in Chrome browser or Firefox browser, for analyzing logs. This is generating logs and this is analyzing logs. So you are clear with this both the terms, and download based on your Windows. It's in 64 bits, Windows 11. So and enterprises are same version and all based on your computer version. Download it here. Already I was downloaded here. My file explorer, my forwarder and enterprises both are downloaded here. I'm configuring my enterprises first. Click on this license, next local domain. Yes, local domain. Yes, you need to remember this. I'm going to do here username and password is both. You need to remember, otherwise you will get again need to configure. Remember both password and username. I'm clicking next. Password is mismatch. Yeah, it got installing. It will take time for installation. Yeah, it got yes. It's going to install. Meanwhile we it finished here. Successfully finished here. See, the browser is going to be start here. So this is my previous, I think this is my previous, login failed means it's a previous one. So this is my password. Previously you entered username and password, same thing you need to enter here. Yeah, this is my Splunk dashboard here. So now I'm going to do the configuration of my universal forwarder. This is universal forwarder. See my Splunk universal forwarder. So it will use for generating logs. So I'm configuring in my main Windows. If you want to configure, you can configure in your virtual machine also, virtual Windows also. But I don't want to configure in my virtual Windows. I want to analyze my main Windows logs. You can configure in this also in your Windows. So I'm configuring in my main Windows for analyzing my logs. So I'm not making this. So local machine, local system. So you need to click on application security, system, forwarding events, setup and all. Click on everything, means you need to generate the logs, these kind of logs. Click on next. Then generate as a one admin, username, password, AD admin. This is password. Yeah, click on next. No need of making this. Yeah, receiving indexer means you need to configure your main machine IP address, which is if config, IP config. If config means terminal, Kali Linux terminal, IP config. This is my IP address here, IPv4, which is 192.168.205, and I'm copying here. I'm going to paste here. This is my IP address and port number is 9997. It's an open by default. We can access through this port. So install. Yeah, it's getting installed. Yeah, it's installed. See, it got installed. I entered press here. So first of all, you need to do one thing. Go to settings here. Okay, it will tell you all the things. Try to skip. This is settings here. So first of all, you need to create an indexer. For searching bar, you need to create an index. I'm going to create new index, which is I'm giving cyber. I'm giving cyber normally. This is my indexer. See, my indexer is cyber. See the here cyber here. You got to create an index. So and so in the settings, port forwarding and receiving port. I'm configuring here, which is already I told you in this 999.7, which is TCP port for receiving. Yeah, we got a status is status enable. Yeah, we configured with this both. Then first of all, you need to go your file explorer, PC. Click on this and program files. After going for program files, go to configuration, Splunk universal forwarder, go it, and then bin. It's not a bin. Okay, sorry. etc and go for apps and go for Splunk universal forwarder. Click on this local inputs. So click on inputs. You will get this like this. You need to make any rules. So I'm making rules here. Index is equals to what I am giving in the Splunk index, which is cyber. Same thing you need to give here also. Copy here. Try to copy here and paste every under the start from oldest. Yeah, from every like this, paste here. Yeah, you can paste like this. This is and save here. Yeah, we got a save done. So again open and for reconfirmation. Yeah, we got settled. We settled the rules. Indexer we set it here. Then you need to do one thing here where we universal forwarder. Go back. Then go to systems here. Check locals, outputs. You need to see the IP address. Yeah, it's in a right IP address. If suppose it's in a wrong IP address, try to give your right IP address, local IP address. This is your local IP address, so you need to give this same IP address. Then it's good. So save it. Yeah, we configured both things. Second thing, you need to configure your firewall first of all. For firewall, you need to give a Windows R. It will give here. So for this, what is the command? Firewall .cpl. Yeah, we are going to give cpl here. So go to advanced settings, inbound rules. Some inbound rules 99 is there. So delete here and make it as a new rule. Delete rule. So make it new rule. Port, keep on port. Next and UDP and 999.7. This is a open port. I said you before. Then keep on next and allow allow the connection. Yes, it will allow the connection. Domains okay. Then name is 999.7 I'm giving. Yeah, click on next. This is the process. Yeah, we got a connection is now the inbound rules is done. Then go to service. Go to service. Then go to service and try to find your Splunk forwarder. Where is your Splunk forwarder? Yeah, this is your Splunk forwarder. Try to restart it. It will get restart. Once you got restart, press on back. Everything you need to go on back. Then open your Enterprise and this is your dashboard. Already I said you. Go search and report. In this search and report, you need to search like index is equals to. We need to give here like this, which is commas, and cyber. Enter. See, we are not able to generate any logs here. So I'm giving here 5 minutes. Also, it's not generated any log here. So some misconfigurations happen. So I'm going again in my sorry, it got generated. So same thing, same process you need to analyze. So my event is occurred here, which is this is my computer name and event type and event code. First of all, if you are in a SOC analyzing, try to learn all the event codes, and event type is this, and my computer name means where the log has been generated. This is a log generation location, which is Windows Security SSP, and record is this everything you need to learn as a security analyzing. So 2 logs has been generated. If you do some misleads in a, suppose why we use to analyze the logs. Suppose if you don't have any log anything, so some attacker came inside your system and he trying to get the means PowerShell. PowerShell is the main thing in your computer, admin access. He trying to get your admin access of your Splunk. So suppose the attacker attack on your system, so he wants to trying to get the admin access from your system, like PowerShell admin access. He wants to get the access. So what he will do, suppose if I am attacker, I enter in your system, attack your system, so I want to get the access. I'm giving some malicious code like this. Yeah, this is a malicious code I entered. If I press enter, it try to get the wrong passwords. It's a wrong password, still I am doing this. Yeah, the username and password is incorrect. Username and password is incorrect. It getting means it's showing. So if you are having a SOC team, they need to analyzing here. It will generate the logs here. So what kind of logs it will be generating? So we will see here. Yeah, it's generated here security. What type of security you need to analyzing? Some Windows security auditing. Yeah, this is auditing. So security, everything is generated security. We will go source code, event code here. So if you are in a SOC team, you need to get the codes here, event codes. So we are attacked on your PowerShell. So it must be generated a 4625. Means this log should be generated. So 4625 is a window failure. It's a window failure. We need to analyze here. So we got already we generated here security. See your computer. Yeah. It's a security auditing. So Windows security auditing. See the keyboard auditing is failure. So we got a failure here. The account login has failed. Same thing we got here, failed everything. So you can analyzing like this. Try to analyzing attempts and all. This is a Splunk setup and all. Thank you. Go further videos. I will tell you basics concepts in Splunk. If you are choosing career path in SOC team, try to get the practical experience with Splunk and Wazoo. It's a both the tools are important if you are choosing career path in SOC. Wazoo I'll tell you next classes for setuping and all. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.